We've all been in that annoying spot where you're packing for a quick overnight trip, but realize your daily work bag just can't handle a change of clothes without looking like it's about to burst at the seams. It's that awkward middle ground between a slim briefcase and a massive suitcase. That's exactly why the Bang BA-1810 caught my eye. It claims to be the one bag that actually expands to fit your entire life, whether you're heading to the office or the airport, and I wanted to see if it actually lives up to that promise. The first thing you notice when you get your hands on the Bangs BA-1810 is the texture of the material. It's got this sleek, modern finish that doesn't just look professional, but it's fully waterproof. Honestly, this is a massive win for me. I've been caught in enough sudden downpours to know that water-resistant usually isn't enough when you've got thousands of dollars of tech inside. With this, the water just beads right off, which gives you that much needed peace of mind during a rainy commute. Now, let's talk about the main event, the expansion. When it's zipped up, it looks like a standard, relatively slim laptop bag. But once you undo that middle expansion zipper, the capacity jumps up significantly. It's like having a transformer on your back. This is where you can really see the design logic. It's built for the guy who goes straight from a meeting to a flight. You can keep your documents and tech in one section and throw a couple of days' worth of clothes in the expanded area. I really liked how it doesn't lose its shape entirely when expanded. It still feels structured and doesn't just sag like a cheap duffel bag. Speaking of tech, the laptop compartment is surprisingly generous. It fits up to a 17.3-inch laptop, which is a big deal. Most stylish backpacks cap out at 15 inches, leaving those of us with beefy gaming rigs or mobile workstations out in the cold. The padding inside feels substantial too. It's not just a thin layer of fabric. It actually feels like there's some real shock absorption there to protect your screen from those accidental bumps against the desk or the floor. Organization-wise, Banch didn't hold back. There are dedicated sections for basically everything: tablets, power banks, pens, and even a specific spot for your clothes. If I had to nitpick, I'd say some of the smaller internal pockets feel a bit tight if the main compartment is fully packed out. It's one of those things where you have to be strategic about where you put your bulkier items. However, the external access is great. You aren't digging through a black hole to find your keys or passport. On the comfort side, they've gone with these heavily padded shoulder straps and an ergonomic back design. When you've got this thing fully loaded and expanded, it can get pretty heavy, so that back support is doing a lot of heavy lifting. The airflow design on the back panel is a nice touch, especially if you're hiking or walking through a humid airport terminal. It helps prevent that dreaded sweaty back situation. One thing I did notice is that if you're a smaller framed person, the bag can feel a bit overwhelming when it's at full capacity. It's a large footprint, so just keep that in mind if you prefer something more compact. The build quality feels rugged enough to handle being tossed into overhead bins or under bus seats without showing much wear and tear, which is exactly what you want from a travel-focused bag. This isn't really for the minimalist who only carries a tablet and a notebook. This is for the digital nomad, the professional who hits the gym after work, or the traveler who absolutely hates checking bags. If you carry a massive 17-inch workstation, your options are usually pretty ugly, but this actually looks sharp. It's perfect if you need one single bag that can transition from a Monday morning board meeting to a Friday night flight without missing a beat or looking out of place. If you want to check the current price or grab one for yourself, I've dropped the link in the description below. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Are you a fan of these expandable, do-it-all bags, or do you prefer having separate packs for work and travel? If this review helped you out, definitely give the video a like and hit that subscribe button to keep up with all the new gear I'm testing. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll catch you in the next one.